Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the overlay. We will discuss what is the overlay option, and we will give a demonstration of a color overlay of an image. The overlay is a special part of the strip style. It is a layer situated right above the strip background that allows you to create a color filter or an effect on top of your strip background. Let's say, for example, that I have a strip with an image background. Using the overlay feature, we can set a partially transparent color on top of this image as an overlay. Here, I will choose a blue color and adjust the opacity. You can also set another image on top of the strip to create a similar effect. Another property you can set for the overlay is a border. Let's add a blue border. And that is how it's done.